Srvtwiz here. Welcome to another video. This video is about building a budget PC. The budget we are going to use is 50,000 rupees. And my friend asked me to build a PC for him. He is mostly using this PC for gaming, not for video editing or for stream. So we have purchased some components that suits his need. Let's see the component. All the components used here are listed in the description below. You can check it out at any time for the live prices. The processor we are using here is Core i5-9400F, and this is a 6-core 6-thread processor. This is paired with asus motherboard, WIZardry B360f gaming motherboard. And the power supply used here is VS450 watt. This is sufficient for this build since we don't have a graphics card that needs power. The graphics card we used is Gigabyte rx550. This is a 4 gigs and is pretty good for gaming. The cooler is Cooler Master Hyper X410R. Then the cabinet. The cabinet is Corsair Carbide series Spec 01. This cabinet has plenty of I/O ports in front and a headphone jack and an audio jack. This cabinet has plenty of space for cable management and it comes in a budget. Let's see the time lapse of the build. Let's discuss the components that we used in this build. We used the processor Core i5-9400F. This processor launched in this year and it has a significant value. This processor comes under budget and doesn't have a discrete graphics card. So we need a discrete graphics card for this processor to work. The graphics card we have used here is rx550. This is a budget graphics card and performs very well for just gaming. The motherboard used here is a asus ROG Strix series. This motherboard is rocking with a B360f chipset. This chipset does not support overclocking, but it supports overclocking of a DRAM and it can automatically match the frequency of a CPU to its usage. The cooler used here is sufficient since we are not going to overclock this CPU. I also build PCs for people, so if you need a PC to be built by me, you can contact me through my mail. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any tech regarding doubts or PC building doubts, you can ask me through the comment section. Okay guys, see you in the next video.